traditions, agreement, rules and regulations, and officials which have been set by the organizer of this activity. As a competitor of this game, I hereby swear and agree to play the game in the highest form and standard of discipline and sportsmanship. No matter what, if I win or lose, what counts most is how I conduct myself. And playing the game in the spirit of belonging, peace and community. Enjoyment with my teammates and participants from other teams. I now therefore declare to preserve the principles of a true sportsmanship in thought, in word, and in deed. So help me God.